This is Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can enable the Dolby Atmos feature on this device. So to begin with, I have to note that by default, using the inbuilt speakers of this phone, the Dolby Atmos is by itself activated. You will not be able to disable it, but you can still change the sound profile or sound preset that it uses. So, as you could have already seen, you gotta enter the sound and vibration category of settings. Then in here you'll have the Dolby Atmos section. As I've mentioned, this toggle is inaccessible. It is always turned on, but you can change the environment profile or scenario specific profile. And basically this toggle will become active and you will be able to turn it on or off respectively once you will connect any external sound device, for example a speaker or headphones, so whatever is your preference. After that, this toggle will become active and you will be able to turn the Dolby Atmos on for each individual accessory that you have connected to your Realme, or turn it off as well. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.